Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I would like to thanks to all the uh, people na nag-watch ng aking videos, especially yung videos ko po about aspiring student who wants to study in Canada. So I have lots of videos if you are planning to get healthcare aid dito po sa Canada. So please subscribe my channel and watch all my videos. And kung may tanong po kayo, leave a comment. So sa mga nag-message sa akin na thank you guys. I appreciate your time watching all the videos. And this video now is about magkano ang sahod ng healthcare aid sa Canada. So magkano nga ba? Ang Canada, gusto ko lang malaman nyo na ang Canada has 3 territories and 7, tama ba? 7 provinces. I'm not sure if I'm right or wrong. So, sa Alberta, sa Manitoba, BC, iba-iba. Each provinces has a different sahod. And each provinces has a different minimum wages, right? So, here in Alberta, yung healthcare aid, dito ako naka-reside sa Alberta, so I will share this according to my experience, and ito talaga literal na naranasan ko at literal na ma-share ko sa inyo yung totoo. So, ang sahod dito sa Alberta, sa akin area is $19 to $21 per hour. So, sometimes then it depends sa facility. May facility na medyo galante, meron namang facility na kuripot. So, ranging ang sahod is 19 to 21, ganun. So, kasi ngayon yung healthcare aid hindi pa siya regulated ng Alberta. What I'm saying, regulated under ano pa siya, hindi pa siya yung kagaya ng doctor, nurses, dentist, hindi pa siya talaga regulated na kumbaga yung RN, 'di ba? Registered na sila talaga. So, ang healthcare aid hindi pa siya. So, ang sabi bago ako nung pumasok, yung nag-start ako ng 2021. Yung 2021 yun yung start ng new provincial curriculum ng Alberta about healthcare aid. So, sabi nila before i-re-regulated na daw ang HCA. Which is, pag naging regulated, tataas ang sahod. So, until now, 2024, wala pa rin. So, let's hope for the best and pray na sana maging regulated na para at least mag-increase ang sahod ng healthcare aid. So, kasi healthcare aid, it's not an easy job. Kailangan mo yung dedication, patience, at compassionate sa clients, sa resident. You have to put yourselves in their shoes. So, hindi lang basta ganun kadaling job. 'Di ba? Yun ang sahod dito sa Alberta per hour. So, depende kung holiday, may 1.5 something or may double pay. So, it depends on the employer. So, yung mga aspiring student ang gusto mag-aral, yun yung sahod. So, imagine yung tax, magkano ba dito sa Alberta, 'di ba? So, Alberta as far as I know, Alberta yung pinakamababang tax. 5%, right? 5. So, now, magkakaroon na naman daw ng additional. So, pagtaas ng tax, pagtaas ng gastos, of course, all over the world. So very expensive na lahat. Lahat na tumaas except our salary, healthcare aid, hindi pa nataas. So, let's hope for the best. So, that's all for now. Yung may mga tanong about healthcare aid, I can answer as far as I know. So, please leave a comment and please subscribe my channel, share my videos, and thank you for watching. Till next time, have a good day.